Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing video, and as you can see already in here and in the title, these stuff are from Bath and Body Works, and some of these I got from the holidays that I have, collected, and this one just arrived yesterday. I want to show you guys what I've got from the holidays as well, because these stuff are smell so good, and if you want to buy one of these, then you have an idea how it smells and all. So without further ado, let's open the box. So this is the box, and I actually ordered this like 2-3 days ago, and it arrived really early. Although I live like 2 miles away from the Bath and Body Works outlet, and I can just drive there and get what I want, but sometimes with your busy schedule you don't have time to do that, and you only have one day to get free stuff from Bath and Body Works. And so I wanted to actually grab that opportunity to get those free items, because we love free, right? So let's do it. Let's open the box. And yeah, and also guys, if you're a fan of Bath and Body Works, then you can actually download their app, and if you buy a lot of stuff from Bath and Body Works, you earn points, and then you get free stuff later. So when you spend like $75, gives you 75 points, which means that you get one item free. It's like a reward thing. It's a nice reward. So let's open this box. And I'm excited because I got free stuff in here. There's not a lot of things in here, but I just want to show you that I got those free things right here. And this is how the box looks like. There, it's pretty cute. And on top is your receipt. It's my receipt, okay, put it away. And it says this one 20% off online if you if you are planning to purchase again online. They give you a 20% off online order off code. And so it has like a bubble wrap. And what I got, this is like my favorite and my husband's favorite lotion. So first I got this Hyaluronic. I wish you could see because the focus is not doing it. This is the Hyaluronic. Okay, so this one. This is the Hyaluronic Acid Body Cream. I like this because this is really thin and it really moisturizes your skin. The consistency is like that, just what I like. It's not too thick. It's not too thick, and it melts so fast, like in your hands, and it smells hyaluronic. Like it smells like water. Water doesn't smell anything, I know, but it smells good. For me, it smells good, and it doesn't have a harsh smell. So I bought this Hyaluronic Acid Body Cream. My husband and I use this, so I bought if you buy 3, you get 2. So I bought 5 of them, 5 of the hyaluronic acid. Okay, and then next is this 1000 Wishes. I got 2 of these for free. That's because I have a rewards. So I have 2 free lotion. This cost like $14, $14.50 each, and I got both of them for free because of the rewards. And then so that's it. The last one would be the wallflower, the 3-piece set wallflower that is only available one day. It's only like I think that was Monday. There's a 3-piece set. There's 1 wallflower and 2 refills for free if you purchase $40 online plus free shipping. So, and it's not available in stores, so that's why even though I'm just like 2 miles away from the Bath and Body Works outlet, I did it online because of these wallflowers. And 3 of these, it says cost $27, and I got them for free. So yeah. Let's open it. Okay, so we're gonna put away this lotion first. And these wallflower, this is so cute. Like, look at that. It's so cute. And this is a similar, this is like almost a similar design to the candle holder that I got from them as well. This one is retail for $15.50. Yeah. And yeah, so it's really pretty. I actually bought 2 of them last December, and this one is almost has the same design. It's really cute. And these are the refills. They packed it in like a foam, like a styro plastic bag. Oh, it's kind of leaking though. I could smell it. They're kind of leaking, but it's fine. They're free. So this is the linen and lavender. Oh my god, they smell so fresh. It smells fresh linen. It smells good. This one is called the linen and lavender. I don't know if this is available in store. I don't know if this is available online. I'm not sure. Or if they are gonna be available soon. I don't know. But I've got them for free. And the other one that I get for free is this one, is the rose water and ivy. I know this rose water and ivy because I have a rose water and ivy hand pocket sanitizer, so I know how it smells. I'll just open up later because that one, but I got those for free. So yeah, and then I just want to show you guys my favorite candle at Bath and Body Works. Oh, this is smells so good. It's like sweet but not too sweet. Your whole house will smell so good. So I always put this in the dining table. That's because I have an open floor plan, which is kitchen, and this is my living room. So when I put it in between right here in my dining room, the smells like spreads all over the house, and it smells so good. I'm gonna put some of the pictures up here. And then also I got like this is the eucalyptus and spearmint with natural essential oils luxury bath. So it's like bath soap. It's like a bath soap with like a minty smell, like a eucalyptus. Like, it's very relaxing. And I got this for free because of my rewards as well. And also these little body wash are actually on sale for like $2 when I got them. And they're good for, you know, like travel and all. So yeah, they're called Beautiful Day. So that, and I got a lot because they're just like $2, so why not? And also I have the Beach Bellini pocket sanitizer. I also have the At the Beach. These are the pocket sanitizers that I like. You know, I mean, you know, scent wise, I love them. Also the watermelon lemonade, and also the gingham, I think that's how you pronounce it. I like it as well. Beach Bellini, and the beach at the beach. Also Gingham and Beautiful Day. So these are the scent that I like from Bath and Body Works. Like here I already lighted one, so oh, they smell so good. It's already halfway. It smells so good, like so good. And warm vanilla sugar is also good right there. So I have these all packet sanitizers that I like. And next, from the holiday room spray, I like the Twisted Peppermint. And also some of the little body lotion or body cream that I actually bought for like $2 each, which is good for also traveling, or good for, you know, when you bring them to work. So I have the Happy Vibes. Like here, I like the Happy Vibes. I have Champagne Toast and 1,000 Wishes. So also right here I also bought 1,000 Wishes. Yeah, so if you like sweet, then you would like this best 1,000 Wishes. If you like very sweet, they're all sweet. But what I usually use is the Happy Vibes. I like it. And so yeah, I got like lots of them too right here. Oh, and I have Sweet Pea sanitizers right there. So I got Champagne Toast, like a lot of Champagne Toast there, Happy Vibes, and 1,000 Wishes. Here you go. There you go, guys. So that's all the stuff that I got from Bath and Body Works. Some of them I've collected over the holidays or I bought over the holidays, and some of them I just got now. So there you go. That wraps up our video. Thank you all guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I learned something that next time you can get free stuff from Bath and Body Works if you have the app and all. And don't forget that they always have like promo codes and coupon codes that you can use every time you go to their store, or you check your email every time they send you codes. And also you can save more money if you really want if you're planning to buy all this stuff. So yeah, thank you all guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.